Hello guys, my name is Mr. Anthony Anumel and I teach at Piedmont Global Academy and I'm actually their Math 8 teacher and Algebra 1 teacher. Today we want to talk about how to order real numbers, right? And when we say real numbers, we're just talking about all the numbers in the world, really. You know, they can be classified in several ways, but then we're looking at all the numbers in the world and we're looking at a certain set of these numbers and how we're going to order them from the smallest number to the biggest number, right? It's pretty interesting. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's look at our question right here. It says order the lengths of these bottles from the least length, that's the smallest length, to the greatest length or the biggest length, right? So that's what we're going to do. These are our lengths right here. You realize that these are written in several forms, right? So in order for us to actually order this in the best way possible, in order to compare these numbers, I want to change them all to decimals first, all right? So I'm going to begin with the very first one, pi in decimal, and you can use your calculator to actually do this, right? So pi is simply 3.14. If you put this in the calculator, it should give you a really long number, which is, you can approximate as 3.14. The second number is 2/3. 2/3 should give you something close to 0.67, right? It also goes all the way, but I just simplified it. The third number, right? So we have two numbers. This is my third number. This is already in decimal, right? So I can just leave it as it is. All right, this is already in decimal. The fourth number, which is the square root of 3, is gonna give you a number 1.73 something, but you can shorten it as that. And our last number, which is -8/3, would give us -2.67. So we just changed all the numbers to decimals. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a number line and put these numbers on them. All right, and that's how we're actually going to order these numbers. The number line is going to show us exactly where these numbers are positioned and which of these numbers would be the smallest number or the biggest number. All right, so this is my number line. I label this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So I have -1, -2, -3, and -4. So I'm going to begin. This is my first number, 3.14. 3.14 is a number between 3 and 4, right? It's a number between 3 and 4. So I'm just going to locate it by putting this right here. So this is 3.14 somewhere here. This is 3.14. I'm just going to write this here. My second number is 0.67, right? It's a number between 0 and 1, right? 0 and 1 is here. So 0.67 would be, let's say somewhere here, right? 0.67. My third number, it's already a decimal, 2.25, a number between 2 and 3, right? Right here, 2.25 would be somewhere here. All right, so this is 2.25. 1.73, a number between 1 and 2. So 1.73 would be somewhere here. 1.73. And then my last number, which is a negative number, will be -2.67, a number between -2 and -3, right? So it's going to be somewhere here. And -2.67 edges a little closer to -3. So that would be this right here. So I just put all my numbers here, right? Now, like I said, just by doing this, the number line has ordered it for me. So if I'm to rewrite this in order from the least to the greatest, it would mean that this would be the smallest number and that would be the biggest number. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna rewrite the numbers. So I'm gonna start with this, negative 2.67, which is the first number, the smallest. The next one will be 0.67. The next one, 1.73. The next one will be 2.25. I hope I don't run out of space. And the last one is 3.14. All right, so to finalize this, I'm just gonna rewrite this into the way that the question posed, right? So this becomes negative 2.67, which is this, negative 8/3. This is 2/3. That is square root of 3. That is 2.25. And my last number, which is my favorite number, is pi. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.